Hello, today I'm going to show how to trace an image. And what I mean by that is like, you notice like all these, in my product research, I see all these images and I can never remember exactly how to draw them. So if I want to take one, I can hit Control Shift All Display, like the little button above 6, and I can do a snapshot. I'm going to grab this one right here. So if I grab it, I kind of go like that. Boom. It takes a screenshot and it shows it, puts it in. I can show it on the folder and I can see like where it is on my Chromebook. So it's right there. I can rename it. I can go right click on it, say rename, and say UFO. Right. No, so I already did that. So whatever. I got that one. I just did a practice one, so it's right there. UFO. They're both the same. So okay, so I've got UFO. Great. Then if I go back to my part studio here, you'll see down here I've got this plus. I can say plus and I can say import, and I can actually import that picture in. So I can say import and it says fine. So I go to my downloads, there's my UFO, and I can say open and I can bring that picture in. Okay, so it's in there. Now it's right there. UFO, it's down there at the bottom. So I can check this off. Now the only thing is I can't see it. So I'm going to say make a sketch. All right, I'm going to say sketch. I'm going to pick that front sketch. I'm going to hit P to get those planes to go away. I'm going to hit N to make it square up. And then what I want to do is I want to go right here to this little button right here, DXF. If I pull that down, it says insert an image. So I can insert an image. And because I brought that UFO picture in, I can say, great, bring that in. And then it says draw the image rectangle. So I just draw the rectangle about how big I want it to be. Great. Now the only problem is I have no idea how big that is. So I should probably go dimension that. So I get my dimension tool and I dimension that top line, and it's about 7 inches. So that's good. I'll leave it. I'll say 7. What if I say 7 inches, and it's pretty good. All right, that's pretty good. Then I can hit escape and turn my tool off, so I can grab this outside edge and I can kind of get that, more or less. I want to get that right above the center. If I really want to get it on that center, I guess I can do the transform tool, which is down here. Transform. I can highlight what I want to transform. And then I grab this little rectangle, then I can move it up and down. And I think that's pretty good. Dang it. Yeah, it's good. It's good enough. All right, so this, if I want to trace this, I really only need to trace part of it. And this spline tool, this tool I haven't showed yet, but it's pretty good. The spline tool, I can just kind of go on here, start about there, and I can just go clickety click all the way down, click, and each time making a point, and I'm kind of just drawing a line around, kind of going, kind of tracing, just kind of tracing that image. And you know what? I only need to go about halfway. So now I'm going to hit escape, turn that tool off. I'm going to get my line tool, and I'm going to draw a line right down the middle. Something like, get a straight line, something like that. Okay, cool. Then I can say, I don't need this anymore. So I can right click and I just delete. Let's see, can I get rid of that? Let's see, can I delete it? No, I can just move it out of the way, I guess. Why is it not letting me delete this? There it goes. You have to click on the actual line and then delete it. Okay, so you see I didn't know exactly how to do it, and I just kind of problem solved it. Okay, so this is this kind of weird shape I got going here. If I get my trim tool out, I can clean this up a little bit. Use your zoom features, kind of zoom in there, trim out the extra parts you don't need. You don't need all these parts. Sometimes they, that looks pretty good. All right, so there we go. Then I can say finish the sketch, and now I can rotate that or revolve it. I can revolve it. So it wants me to do two things. One, pick what I want to revolve, and then two, pick an axis of revolution, and I can go like that. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, man, that's so cool. Oh, not bad. Look at that. That's the flying saucer, and that's what I made. Oh, man, that's so cool. Okay, now, if I know I'm trying to make a bowl, I could actually go in here. I don't have a cavity for for my serial. So I got to go in here, right click, and I can actually edit the sketch. If I hit N, I can square that up. It looks like it got rotated somehow. So let's turn this like that. So there's the front view. And I can cut. I can actually go in here and get a little circle. I should probably just use the arc tool. And I can say I want to cut a little hole, like maybe here to like, I want to go all the way down there, kind of cut a hole for my serial like that. And then I can just get the trim tool, something like trim that away, trim that away. Yeah, there you go. Now revolve that. And look at that, guys. Then I've got a little, now, albeit it's a very small little hole, but hey, it's a bowl. It's a spaceship space bowl, all the same. Okay. All right. So that's the idea. And you know, while I'm at it, I'm gonna make one more little conjunction here. If I go and I right click on this face, I can say edit the appearance to the face, and I can change the color. I can make it, purple, and I can say check. So now my serial bowl is blue and the outside face is purple. If I want to add more faces, this is so smooth, there really are no faces. So if I right click and say edit the sketch, I could go in here and I could actually make some straight edges. So I could go here and like lop off. Let's say I did this, and I could do this as many times as I want, but I need like a straight edge. So if I clip this away and I clip this away and I clip this away, now this edge right here, that's a flat edge. So now you'll notice, like, look, see, it's got that edge right there, so it's flat. Then I can right click on that and I can say edit the face. So edit the appearance of the face, and I can make another color as well. I can say I want that to be this color. So whatever, have fun with it. But now I've got a tri-colored little, it's pretty good. In fact, I could even go in here. I could right click on that and edit that face. I can make that even a different color. So let's make it like that. Yeah, like a black hole. It's like a black hole UFO. Oh man, it's so cool. All right, that's how you trace. Have fun. Good luck.